Hi guys, Captain Nick here at MarineMax St. Petersburg, showcasing some of our used inventory today. Next to me right now is a 243 Everglades 2013, and if you like to fish like I do, you should be as fired up as I am. So starting up here on the bow, you notice something. This is not your traditional bay boat. You can see this deep V up here, seating also, handrails. This here is a bay boat and then some. Moving on back here to the actual center console, you can see a really rich powder-coated T-top, hard top also with lights and speakers built in. Why don't you take a peek in here? There is a head in this boat. As you can see, pretty good size area also. Moving on back to the helm here, Garmin electronics, all of your switches right here, Yamaha gauge. As you can see up here, this boat's already all ready to rock and roll with our VHF mounted overhead along with our Jensen head unit. Take a look at this upholstery right here, really looking close to the signature Everglades brand. So as we were talking about earlier, this is a bay boat that does more. Leaning up along here, what do we like to say here at MarineMax? When you're grouper fishing, you gotta show up to bow up. And you got this upholstery right here, you're ready to rock and roll. When Bubba comes on and eats that bait, you're ready to lay to and bring him up to the top. And okay, what's better than a 243 Everglades? One that comes with a Yeti already well equipped. Moving on back here, we've got two seats that fold up and down for when you're fishing. Deep well in here towards the aft of the boat. Keep all your baits nice, lively, frisky, ready to go get eaten. Last but not least, coming back here, Yamaha F300, very reliable engine. Low hours, recently serviced also. So if you guys have any other questions about this particular model or anything else in our new or used inventory, come on down to MarineMax St. Petersburg and we'll get you on a boat of your dreams. Captain Nick, signing off.